आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Alright, this is our question. Here we are told that a theatre is building a portable ramp to allow equipment and people easy access on the stage, which is 2 meters high. If the ramp is 4 meters long, what is angle of incline of the ramp in degrees? So let us draw one ramp for reference as such. So assuming this is the ramp, we are told that the ramp is 2 meters high and it is 4 meters long, like this, and we have to find the angle of incline, which is this value theta. Now if we see here, one property to remember is that sine theta is equal to side perpendicular to theta divided by the hypotenuse of right triangle. Hence here we can see that the side perpendicular or opposite to this this angle theta is equal to sine theta is equal to 2 by 4. The hypotenuse is 4 and the side perpendicular is 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can find this. Now that we know that sine theta is equal to 1 by 2, we can find the value of theta either by doing sine inverse 1 by 2, and we can do this on a calculator, a scientific calculator, but make sure to change the degrees, change the angles in the calculator to degrees and not keep it at radians. Or this is also a very common quantity, so we can remember this by heart, which is sine inverse of minus half is 30 degrees, or sine of 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is a very common quantity which we can remember, or we can use a calculator to find this out. Hence we have found that the angle of inclination theta is equal to 30 degrees. So since this is a grid-in question, we will input this here 30, and it is the values in degree.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।